Communications organized a 2-day health check for its staff. The medical outreach has, among other activities like health talks and screening for hepatitis B and cervical cancer. We have more in this report.
TVC Communications prides itself as an organization that ensures the overall well-being of its staff. One of the ways the company shows this is its yearly medical checks for its staff. This year, the company took it a step further to educate the staff on cervical cancer and hepatitis B.
And it's a very, very aggressive cancer that when it's picked on time, it can be treated. But if it's not picked on time, say it's picked in stage 3 or stage 4 where it has begun to spread, the chances of survival is as good as 0 or something.
The female staff had the opportunity to have a pap smear. The hepatitis B vaccine was also made available for a select number of staff.
We thank our partners, we thank clinics, we thank MedPlus, and who have been able to provide us the opportunities to also accommodate. We are doing 200 cervical testing for women in the workplace. We started that yesterday, and free. 200. We also are doing, we're able to deploy hepatitis B vaccines, which typically you pay for, and that was also thrown in for about 50 of our personnel.
In line with one of TVC Communications' corporate social responsibilities, health and environmental sustainability, the company is creating a work-health balance for its staff with this initiative.
I feel like our health is super important, and if your health is not great, all the other areas of your life is going to suffer. I believe that the health of not only myself but my other colleagues will not suffer for it, but instead will get better eventually.
The last time I ever had a comprehensive check was the last time we did this in the office. So for me, it's always a welcome opportunity. Now, graciously, I don't get to go to the hospital too often. So for people like us, we tend to, we don't feel any symptoms, so let's just leave it up until next time. So checks like this you cannot overemphasize the importance.
TVC Communications' partnership with clinics and MedPlus sees this as an opportunity to improve on staff welfare.
TVC is one of the companies I admire so much, because this is not the first time, neither is it the second time. We've been partnering, and they tend to take the health of their staffs very seriously. Clinics Healthcare is pioneer in having all of these preventive health checks.
Hepatitis B is a deadly infection that affects the liver, so that's why MedPlus is partnering with TVC News to keep their staff healthy and prevent them from getting the hepatitis B virus. That is why we are running the hepatitis B vaccine now for them.
A game of well-being bingo was also played, with the winners receiving gifts.